So we all need extra money, and in this video I'll be going over some part-time job ideas for extra income, and I'll be speaking from experience here because I've tried them all. So head over with me to this board. Now, I'll be discussing a few part-time job ideas from experience and also that I've heard friends do so that you can make extra money without having to start a whole new business, without having to get, an actual job that you'll have to quit. First and foremost, the best place to go to find part-time jobs is Craigslist. Craigslist has a whole smattering. You can go to Craigslist.org, search it on the internet. You can find a whole smattering of just jobs people are willing to pay for. Moving stuff, whatever is happening in your area, it's gonna vary by place, but there's a lot of jobs on Craigslist. Some other part-time jobs you can do to earn extra income, what I call gig or the app-based jobs, okay? And some of those are being an Uber driver, okay? Uber. Another great app that I personally use for all my ride shares is Lyft. Okay, Lyft is another app. Uber has Uber Eats as well. Another one is TaskRabbit. Okay, TaskRabbit is all sorts of jobs: cleaning, organizing, moving, data entry, acting, whatever is needed. There's a million jobs on there. Download these apps and start working on them. Here's a few more apps too. Wag. Wag is an app where you can take dogs for walks. You can be a dog walker and make money walking other people's dogs. I use Wag because I don't have the time to walk my dog all the time. I try to make my life as an entrepreneur as efficient as possible. I work on my computer, I spend time with my family. If I don't have time to walk my dog, I'm gonna order somebody on Wag. Another app is Rover. Rover is an app where you can pay somebody to pet sit your dog. Another one is, I use a lot of dog apps, as you can tell. Another app is Dog Vacay. Dog Vacay is pet sitting, but at the person's house. So, I would drop off my dog at a neighbor's house and I'd pay them through Dog Vacay. There are other apps which you can find out about online, where you can hire personal trainers. There's one where you can hire massage therapists called Soothe. I know that one, I use that one. But there's a lot of app-based jobs which are almost all part-time. So if you live in the US or Canada, some of these are options. If you don't live in a big city in the US or Canada, these may not be options with the exception of Uber and Lyft, which are worldwide now. I'm gonna go into a few more jobs, but these are the app-based jobs, and Craigslist is just kind of a job board. You'll wanna look under the gigs section of Craigslist to find jobs. A few other good jobs you can do are what I call door-to-door sales. Door-to-door sales is one of the oldest jobs in America, and you can go to door-to-door selling products. You do it on your own schedule. If you can sell stuff, you can sell stuff anywhere. You can join a company such as Kirby Vacuum, or you'll see people sell insurance door-to-door, life insurance, auto insurance. People sell cable TV door-to-door. People sell security systems and pest control. Lawn mowing is a great thing if you're looking to mow people's lawns or if you're looking to trim people's trees. You can go door to door and sell your services by yourself. You could just say, hey, I have a lawnmower, I'll mow your lawn, if you pay me 20 bucks every week. Or you could join a company and just find a pest control or a security company or a cable TV company and ask them if you could go door to door selling for them, to get customers, if they'll give you money. Another job is cold calling. Oftentimes a part-time job. I started off in college. I was working for a telemarketing company selling advertising services. Something similar to the Yellow Pages. I was working for this company called National Positions. I don't think they're around anymore. But companies like the Yellow Pages and Reach Local sell, local advertising services. There are all sorts of companies you can work for that get business from cold calling and part-time job. Other jobs you can get: catering. Being a caterer is a very part-time job. It's based on when people have big dinners that they need catered. So You can talk to a local catering company. In LA, Wolfgang Puck it's the catering company that all of the movie studios and all of the big parties and events usually use to hire out their catering for. But in your local area, you can find restaurants that have a demand for caterers, and you can ask them. You could say, hey, do you need any people, extra hands on deck to help cater events that you work? Other jobs are, this is a weird one. This is one that I did when I was just getting started in my business and I needed some extra income, is being a medical guinea pig. Generally speaking, you can't find medical guinea pig jobs everywhere. You can find a lot of them in Los Angeles, but I was a medical guinea pig when I was young and I was needing extra money. Generally speaking, you get paid about $3,000 a week, $2,000 to $3,000 a week as a medical guinea pig, depending on what you're doing. So you can make a lot of money as a medical guinea pig, but again, you're working for what are called clinical trials. That would be the keyword to search, clinical trials. And clinical trials are generally ordered from companies such as Merck, Pfizer, Johnson & Johnson, etc., by the big billion-dollar medical companies to test out their drugs on humans. And I was one of those human test subjects. And you make a lot of money doing it. So maybe that's why I'm crazy. Maybe that explains everything. So without any skills, you can get a job paying $10,000 a month. And most of the time you're just sitting around and having your blood drawn every hour or two. That's what you do. Might be a little too weird for you. Another job is being a movie extra. So if you live in areas such as Los Angeles, Toronto, Vancouver, Louisiana, Georgia, New York, Austin, etc., there are a lot of cities where there's demand, whenever there's film shoots or whatever, you can be a movie extra and make an extra $100 to $200 a day just for kind of standing around and being a person. That's a lot of fun. I remember I was in my teens when I was a movie extra. I was a movie extra during the summers and I made a lot of money and or just some extra money. It was boring, but you meet a lot of cute girls there too. Random fact, I was an extra on Entourage. I was an extra on the OC show. I was an extra on the movie Get 'Em to the Greek and just a number of other things. And Laguna Beach too, yeah. OC and so I was an extra on some of those shows, which was a lot of fun. You don't really see me much. You might see my elbow or something in them. But that was my claim to fame when I was younger. I hope this gives you some extra ideas for how to earn extra money using part-time jobs. If you want to learn more about how I make money as an affiliate marketer and online entrepreneur, you can check my description or something, and there should be some free training links to how I make money as an affiliate marketer. But if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel to see more videos, and also comment and let me know what you would like to see next.